so very happy with her dearest Maria. They look so lovely together. I still remember the first time Manong Leon brought Maria to our home.
Manong Leon takes so long. It's getting dark already.
She is tall and a very beautiful woman.
You are Baldo, and this is Labang, whom I have heard so much.
Yes, you can scratch his forehead if you want. Maria!
Yes, Leon?
This is Naggrebkan.
You love so much Naggrebkan, don't you, Leon?
Of course, this is where I grow up.
She looked to my brother while smiling. I can feel in her smile. She is really happy.
Let's go, Manang before it gets dark.
Tie him carefully, Baldo.
Yes, I will, Manong.
What's that noise? It's my first time to hear the noise like that.
Truly, there is no other Carabao like Labang.
If you continue to talk to him like that, either I shall fall in love with him or I become greatly jealous.
Answer me, Baldo, before I lay down the rope of Labang on you.
Father told me to take the waig tonight, Manong.
Have you ever seen so many stars before?
Look, Leon, it's a star.
I have been looking at it. Do you remember how I would tell you? You want to see the star here in Naggrebkan?
Look at it. It's so many bigger and brighter.
It is, Maria.
Are we getting close to the destination, Leon?
Ask Baldo. You have been neglecting him.
We're getting closer, Baldo.
Yes, Maria. Soon we will get out of the wahig.
Leon,
Why, Maria?
I am afraid. Your father, he may not like me.
Don't worry, Maria. My father will like you. The way you talk, my fathers will like you. He is the mildest tempered man I know. Father, where's father?
In his room and his leg is bothering him.
Maria is so beautiful, Father.
Is she afraid of Labang?
No, instead of being disgusted, she pet it and scratched his forehead.
Father, this is Maria.